Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a car that's not starting with a new battery. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your car isn't starting with a new battery. Number 1, wrong battery. Number 2, improperly installed battery. Or number 3, a bad starter. Here's how to fix these issues. Confirm you have the correct battery. Conduct an online search of your vehicle's owner manual. Check the specs of your car's battery and confirm if the new battery meets these specs. If it does, this is not the problem. Properly install the battery. Access your car battery and disconnect the terminals starting with a negative cable. Inspect the cables for damage and replace them if damaged. Remove the metal bar that secures the battery and remove the old battery. Clean the battery tray and connectors and ensure they are not damaged. Install the new battery and start your car. If the car fails to start, check the starter. Listen for a grinding, whirring, or clicking noise when starting your car. If you hear any of these, replace your starter. Access your starter and remove it. Confirm that the replacement is identical to the damaged one. Place your new starter and secure it. Connect your wiring and battery and start your car. If it doesn't start, seek professional help. So that's how you fix your car that's not starting with a new battery. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.